Hello, right, it's Saturday. I've been tinkering. It's my day off, but technically I'm working, freelancing stuff. So, this is for tutorial in Linux format, and it's DrumHAT. This thing here, which is a touch interface for the Raspberry Pi. It fits on top of the Raspberry Pi board. It's a hat, so it just fits on all the pins. But you'll notice it's not being used with a Raspberry Pi. It's been used with Raspberry Pi Pico. It connects via I2C, and I've got that connected to the Pico. And I've got CircuitPython running on the Pico with a library called cap1188, which is the same library and same chip, I should say, that the DrumHAT uses. So what happens is when I press one of the pads, it's going to react and tell me which pad has been pressed. Now the numbers on here don't match up to the numbers that it says, but we can sort that out. To get it to work, I've got some header pins underneath the Pi hat, and there's a box of header pins there, out of focus I know, so that I can go to each pin and connect it up to the Pico. I've then got some resistors, some 10k resistors just here to the SDA and SCL pins, pulling it up with 3.3 volts. And that's my box of resistors there, all nicely stacked and ordered. I know, it's amazing, isn't it? So now when I press a button, you'll see in Phony it's going to react. If I press bottom right, which I know is 1, there's 1, just missed it. There's 2. There's 3. There's 4. There's 5. 6. Yes, count with Les. And 8. So now I know I can access all of the pins. So what can I do with this? Well, now I know it works. CircuitPython's got a library called USB HID. I've now got 8 buttons that I can press and do anything I want with them. It can be any key combinations, mouse combinations, open apps, whatever. So that's what I'm going to do. A USB HID device with DrumHAT. And this isn't a marketing or sales ploy. They're only a $5 at the minute on Pimoroni, which I'm quite surprised. It's old kit, to be fair. Anyway, that's all for now. See you later.